This is This Little Light of Mine in the key of G. It's a very simple way to play this, so I hope you enjoy playing it for your kiddos, grandkids, or just for your own enjoyment. All right, so as always, you can click on the description of the video below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so we have three main chords, G, C, D. Let's take a look at those. Put thumb on G here, line up your 5 fingers, and then we have G, B, D, makes up a G chord, okay? Then we have C chord, C, E, G, and then if you move up one note from that, pick up this black note. We have D, F sharp, A, and that makes up a D chord. We have a triangle shape there, if you imagine a shape. White, black, white. Okay, so review. We have G chord, C chord, and D chord. All right, so let's put pinky on G in our left hand. Line up your 5 fingers. Then you don't have to move this hand the whole song. So we're going to play single G note with G chord, C to C in the bass, and then D to D in the bass. All right. The rhythm that we're going to do to bring the 2 hands together is very simple. We're going to go together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Play that in the C. Just pick up that nice marching rhythm. Together, right, together, right. Okay. Let's add in some vocals. In verse 1, you'll know what I mean. Here we go. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Okay, we're gonna pick up the C chord now. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it, back to the G, shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it, D chord here, triangle. Shine, let it shine, let it, G chord, shine. Verse 2, hide it under a bushel, no, I'm gonna let it shine. C chord, hide it under a bushel, no, I'm gonna let it shine. G, hide it under a bushel, no, I'm gonna let it shine. D coming up, let it shine, let it shine, let it won't let Satan blow it out. I'm gonna let it shine. See? Won't let Satan blow it out. And I'm gonna let it G. G. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it D. Let it shine. Let it G. Okay, you see that nice marching rhythm all the way through, all 4 verses. Super simple. Here we go. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Have a lot of fun with this one. This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little light of mine, and I'm going to let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Hide it under a bushel. I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under a bushel, no, I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under a bushel, no, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. I won't let Satan blow it out. I'm gonna let it shine. I won't let Satan blow it out. And I'm gonna let it shine. Let Satan blow it out. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Let it shine till Jesus comes. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine till Jesus comes. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine till Jesus comes. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, and I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, and I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Let it shine till Jesus comes. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine till Jesus comes. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine.